How to make healthier fries. They're perfect for making in your air fryer or oven. Choose your vegetable and cut it into 1 centimetre thick batons. We recommend sweet potato, zucchini, beetroot, potato or broccoli stems. Next, you want to choose your seasoning. We paired the sweet potato with pistachio dukkha, the potato with some smoky paprika, the beetroot with fresh thyme, the zucchini with turmeric, and the broccoli stems with chili flakes. Once that's done, add a little oil to help the seasoning stick and toss to coat. Now it's time to preheat your air fryer or oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place your veggies in the air fryer and cook for the recommended time, shaking the basket occasionally throughout cooking until the fries are crisp and cooked through. The zucchini and broccoli fries will need about 15 to 20 minutes. The sweet potato and beetroot take about 35 minutes. The potato fries will need closer to 40 minutes. If you're cooking in the oven, add an extra 5 minutes to the cooking time. These healthier fries are great served with low-fat natural yogurt. You can stir through a little of your chosen seasoning to jazz it up. Then dig in. These mix and match veggie fries are a great way to use up leftover vegetables or spices.